Oh my, Vicky, that looks like you had so much fun while I was gone.
We had so much fun.
Can you summarize some of your highlights?
Yeah, the highlights are we hiked in the mountain in the Rockies. The weather was perfect and we all enjoyed in the trails.
Yes, I can see that.
Yeah, and then people splashed in the fountain.
Yeah, was that downtown?
That was downtown in the Churchill
yes,
Square, and then everyone was wet. So.
Everybody like a little kid, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's good to cool down ourselves, I think. And the third one is we ate some delicious food in the Taste of Edmonton Festival.
Nice. I like that. And I can also see that there are some new faces around.
Yeah.
Who are they?
So we have 2 more assistants joining us this summer.
Okay.
Let's meet them.
Hi, I'm Otaro.
And I'm Alex, and we are your assistants this summer.
I am a third-year education student here at the University of Alberta.
And I'm taking kinesiology.
Is there any fun fact?
Let me think. One cool fact is that I played soccer for 15 years and I'm still playing.
Oh, yeah, that's crazy. Me too. We should play together sometime.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
A friendly soccer match. I love it. I love the idea. When can we do that?
Why don't we play this Friday during our last Friday fun activity?
Yes, because we are gearing towards the end of the term, and so we need to have a final party, right? So when is it going to be?
So we are going to meet at 12:30 and on the 4th floor, and we are going to quad to play the match.
And well, we can have the final party, and we can also see who the best soccer player is.
I know, I think we have so many good players in the school, like Genk, Lucas, Vilma.
I know. We have some sporty girls too. I don't know, Vicky, are you gonna play?
Maybe I can try.
Well, okay. Well, then that's a challenge for
This
all.
Friday.
Okay. Well, that sounds like we have checked the box for fun.
Yeah, and now it's time to check for the academic part.
So please check where you are at in your course, and if you need
any help, you can come to the ACC for the Monday extra writing help or
any questions you have, and even if you want to ask about your grades, I am here for you to talk about that, to give you some extra support. And we have something special on Tuesday. Tuesday is a writing workshop, but this time EAP 500 students have prepared some extra writing practice or some kind of activities. So I think that could be good.
Yeah. And Wednesday will be your usual seminar, and we have a guest speaker, right?
Yes, so Sylvia is doing her awesome workshop on some exercises, how you can release stress, and I think this will be especially handy before the final exams are approaching, so definitely come and check it out. And also great listening practice, right?
Yeah, and Thursday is our conversation club as usual.
And I think you're becoming a little bit more confident, so practice your confidence and
Yeah, just come to join us.
Converse and become more confident.
Yes. Oh, I think there's one more box we need to check, and it's the reflection.
It's a very, very important one. Each term we reflect on students' contribution, and we nominate one student who has contributed to the ELS community, who has brought kindness, support, and simply positive attitude.
Yeah, the bright energy to the school. Yeah.
And because we really value students' participation and students basically supporting each other and bringing a little bit of positive energy to the school and to each other. So do you have somebody in mind?
I have somebody in mind.
Me too, I have somebody in mind, but we want you to think about who you might nominate, and we are going to talk about it a little bit more during the seminar.
Yeah. Just think about who has been being kind or being supported.
Or who simply brightened your day when you needed it.
In the school, yes.
We are all about check boxes today.
Yes.
I think because it's a great strategy, right? If you give that check, then you feel good, and then you know what you have forgotten.
Yeah, I feel accomplished, but I forgot one more thing.
Yes, it's the Kahoot box has not been checked.
Yeah. So, congratulations to Luke. You are the second rank right now.
What?
We are going to play the final Kahoot. No, is it? Are we going to play on Friday?
Well, actually, that's a question because we haven't really figured out if we are going to play the Kahoot during the final party or whether we are going to play it next Tuesday. So how about we let you know?
Yes.
Yes, we'll let you know.
And this one